When there's not much rain around, there's one thing for certain that's going to be coming into your garden and your home, and those are those little critters called brown ants. Yep, they just find their way, and you actually don't even know where they appear from. They're like, where did you come from, guys? All right, they can be quite destructive, especially in and amongst paving. They really can be irritating, and we want to know how we can get rid of them. Well, one thing is, ants don't like talcum powder. So if you sprinkle the talcum powder around, the ants battle to cross it. They really don't like it. I think it irritates their skin or something. The other thing that you can use is this ant nest granules. Now, what's important about this is that you literally put it down where you see the ant activity. Okay, it's almost like putting down sugar, because this stuff in here has a beautiful coating. The ants literally will come to it, grab it, and they take it back into the colony. The granules are only activated, so the chemical only becomes activated when it goes underground where the temperatures are much cooler, and that's a big bonus. So they feed it to the workers, they feed it to the queens, and it actually gets rid of the entire colony. So it's really simple. All you do is you just sprinkle a few down, not too much, preferably in the late afternoons, because the bright sun on the little granules actually destroys the effectiveness of the ant granules. So rather late afternoon, put it down when the temperatures start cooling down. The ants will then come and take this down into their nest and destroy the nests. If you have got large colonies, which of course you don't know because it's all happening underground, you might need to apply it once or twice. But folks, this is really safe to use, good for in the home and good for in the garden, to get rid of all these pesky little guys that unearth paving, take away grout, and also cause problems in the garden.